Guys, welcome back to another spirituality video. In this video I'm going to show you how to cleanse your altar or your sacred space. You always have to make sure it is cleansed of all negativity, because all around us is energy, and sometimes it can contaminate things even though you cleanse it the day before. I always cleanse it every day when I approach the altar. Make sure it is super cleansed of nothing but positivity and white light and love. And also I'm going to show you things that I cleanse with. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to show you is my abalone shell, and it's so pretty. I have to clean it out. These are all the ashes of my sage. I keep money. If I find money out on the street or like a roundabout that I know it just turned up. When you find money at a random, it's like the coins from heaven. So if I find it, I don't really spend it. I just say it's for my grandparents and they're sending me change. So I just pick it up. It's where I leave my two things I'm going to show you that I sage with, and I catch all the ashes into this. It's such a pretty shell. I got it from the Magic Moon Sister place. You could also get it on Amazon. I'm going to leave a link down below where you can also find this on Amazon. I'll leave the Amazon link down below where you can purchase this along with the other things I'm going to show you. With two different things. I know this is really small. I have to repurchase this and I haven't gotten around to it, but this is like my favorite one. So these are the two things I smudge with. I smudge my altar with, I smudge myself with, I smudge anyone that comes in, anyone that's around me. I smudge my room. I like positive vibes, as you can tell, like literally positive vibes. So this one is the Palo Santo stick. This one is my favorite. I love Palo Santo. It smells amazing, and I really do love how it smells, and I just feel like it cleanses me more. It makes me feel like very positive, and it just, I don't know, it just makes me feel cleansed, like with all around me. I just love it. I love the smell. I love the smoke that gives off. It's just a really good cleansing tool. What you would do is, now if you get a Palo Santo stick, you have to, I'm like itchy because I have a fan on. It is so hot. Oh, I need the fan on, I'm sorry. The Palo Santo stick. Okay, what you do is you would light it up and leave it lit for like a minute to 3 minutes, so it gives a good burn. But most of the time it burns out itself and then the smoke starts to go. So you would light it. You have to play around with it because sometimes if it's too like wet, but you want to get a flame going onto the Palo Santo stick. See, look at that. I mean, it burns out by itself. I love how this smells. The fan is blowing it. And this is too small. I have to get another one. There we go. There we go. See? And I would just cleanse my area of all negativity, nothing but positivity. I love and light. I release all pain and anger and hate, and that's what I would cleanse with Palo Santo. And I would let it burn and always leave it. Usually it's a bigger stick. You always leave it down with the burnt part down, and it would stick out. But now it's too small, so I just leave it in there for it to like burn. The next thing that I use is white sage. White sage is pretty common in my church, in the Catholic Church. They use sage to around the holidays or just bless the church when you're in there during Mass. This scent I'm very familiar with during church. White sage is always burned in my Catholic Church. And what you do with this is you get a bundle, you can leave it like this and light it, the whole thing, or you can like rip off leaves and then you can do that also. But I got a little tired of ripping out leaves, so I just started burning the whole sage bundle. I actually got these at Five Below. You get 2 of them for $5, which is a good deal. I know the last time I was in there, like last weekend, they had him. It's like where all the incense are. And Five Below is bringing in a lot of spirituality stuff, and I'm loving it. They have a salt lamp that I want to get, and they have sage, and they have like new scents that are like incense. The incense that they have, or some of them are really good, some of them they stink really bad, so I'm like not into it. But yeah, I used to get the sage from the Magic Moon Sister place. Actually saw this at Five Below if you want to get it really fast, or I can link it down on Amazon, because Amazon does sell these by bundles along with the Palo Santo stick. So I'll link everything down below so you guys can purchase it. If you don't have a Five Below near you, just order it on Amazon. It's actually pretty cheap. So this is what I do with the sage. I'll take, like, same thing with the Palo Santo stick. I would take it, but this one takes a long time because you have to burn all the leaves. So what I do, I just put them on top of the fire so you don't burn yourself, because it's a long time to like thing. Just be careful. Viewer discretion is advised. Like, you need permission from your parents to play with fire. But yeah, so this is the sage, and you would do your cleansing, and to release, you pull away from you. To put in, you put towards you. So I release negativity, I put back in positivity, I put back in white light, I put back in love, I release pain, I release fear, I release hate, I put back in love, positivity, and peace. And then I would just lay it down like this, 45-degree angle, in my shell, and I just leave it off to the side and I let it burn, and I go on to my next thing, which is lighting my candle for the new moon or the full moon. I always leave, and if it burns out, like if there's no more smoke, I relight it. I show you two different prayers, chants for cleansing. I'll show you the cleansing prayer for your altar and the cleansing prayer to do on yourself. So let's do this. This is a cleansing for yourself. Okay, see, I fill myself with love and light. I smudge myself to release pain, anger, and hurt. I give gratitude for my peace. Now I'm going to show you how to cleanse your altar or your sacred place. I would light it again. Okay, and then you would say, I cleanse this space, remove the past. I found my happiness at long last. I fill this space with joy and love. Send my blessings from above. So there you have it, you guys. Those are what I use to smudge, what I smudge, and what do I say during my smudging. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to like up this video. It's greatly appreciated. So I know that you want to see more of these videos, more teaching of spirituality, like get more into depth with it to teach you different things. It's pretty exciting, it's pretty cool, and I'm so grateful and glad that I started this journey, because everything has changed for the positive and I just have a different mindset. And I'm telling you, I was like a non-believer before, but now I believe and I'm ready to receive. But don't forget to subscribe, it's greatly appreciated. I love to have you around, and thank you for supporting me throughout these years. And yeah, don't forget to leave a comment down below. I love staying connected with you guys, and all my socials are in my description box, so don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, and also follow me on LiveMe, the app. I do daily broadcasts, so don't miss out. It's pretty cool. The app is amazing. It's very colorful, and I know you guys will like it because I love it too. So don't forget to follow me on there. I'll leave all the information down below. Once again, I'm MetalBarbie, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, dolls.